I got these clip-ins at the beginning of the year, and I figured I'd put the girlies on because you cannot tell me this is not my hair. I've gotten so many compliments, and this hair has lasted me months and could have lasted me longer if I had taken better care of the hair. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, and I'll come back and talk later.
Don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect girl, you can't do wrong. Don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song. Let me find out you faded low. I pull up, but I can't stay too long.
Fly, yeah. Look, I ain't got all day, baby. Money to make, and I've been trying to get paid. I got they feelings grown women, sentimental couple foreign things flying in and out of LA. I'm not a player, I got a plan. What's up with you, girl? What you saying? Do you wanna roll with it from the land? Let me see you pose for a minute. 5'5", thick thighs busting out of the denim. Got bad, way more than a little bit. Probably had me falling in love if a hit. Never had it from the hood, but she into it. Baby said she wanna go slow.
Don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect girl, you can't do wrong. Don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song.
Whoa, I get rid of all the smoke like ozone. Shawty got that real jelly, petroleum.
Just can't take my time. Don't make me wait in line. If you treat me basic, I find replacement. I keep it player all time. Don't make me wait too long. Don't make me wait too long. You know.
Hey, the clock ticking, the plot thickens, I'm not tripping. I got what you got, we not different. Feel me? I got, but not really. Wonder where the time goes when you're not with me. Yeah, you top 10, we should lock in, hop in. Baby, let me show you that I'm not playing. Probably used to weird, I'm not them. Watch this, press one button, now she topless. Take one flight, hit the tropics. Take life, make him out. Make you fall in love with the spot. She said not yet.
Don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect girl, you can't do wrong. Don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song. Let me find out you faded low. I pull up, but I can't stay too long. I'm too impatient, I just can't take my time. Don't make me wait in line. If you treat me basic, I find replacement. I keep it player all time. Way too long. Don't make me wait too long. You know.
All white, right? Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love, cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a dark. I don't care, I cuss a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be getting the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the hood, type of money make you still bang. Type of money she gon' let you put it in, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang. Big bang, take little bang, bang.
Everything ain't proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know, did it shining like a grillet. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bankroll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, take little bite, bite. Big bank, take little bite, bite. Type of money you gon' give sight. Type of money you gon' give bite. From the hoes, type of money make you stay bite. Type of money she gon' let you put it in fight. Big bank, take little bank, bite. Big bank, take little bite.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse in my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more college Kaepernick. I'm rare as affordable healthcare. I'm growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottom.
It's super full, super blendable, and it's 16 inches. It took about a month to get here. I ordered January to the 5th of the 3rd, and it got here on the 8th. So like a month and like 3 days. It's black owned by a woman. They have a growth oil, they have tape ends, they have different type of textures. This was the Geechee coil clip in for a 4B extensions. I got them in the 16 inch. I got only one bundle. It comes with 7 pieces. It said it's 130 grams. Yeah, so yeah, I would most definitely recommend. This was perfect, and it came just in time for my birthday. Yeah, y'all, this is what the back looks like. And it's not visible. It don't hurt my scalp, it don't irritate nothing. Just make sure you apply it so that it don't bother your scalp or it's not snagging on your hair. So if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, the hair did come with a faint smell, but after I washed it twice, it went away. And then when I applied the products onto the hair, eliminated the smell also. And it doesn't shed a lot. It does shed, but it doesn't shed a lot. So make sure when you're detangling the hair, add a lot of detangler or water so it can help reduce the amount of shedding. And the hair did come fully black, but there was some pieces that was like red or like a burgundy, a bright burgundy type of color, but you can't tell at all. So, and it kind of go in with my hair anyways. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Make sure y'all buy.
I need.
It's so full. Like, even the pieces that I put up close, you can't see. If I pull my hair back, I could put my hair up and y'all won't be able to see nothing. Nobody's gonna tell. So yeah. And this is how long. I'm 5'3" for reference. So this is how long the 16 inches on me, and then I'll show y'all the back. And then the front pieces, what they at? Very kind of compare it to the back piece. So just for reference, yeah. So I will say, if you are ordering these and you got somewhere to go, order it a month way ahead of time before, because they are pre-ordered. So you have to pre-order it, and that's why it takes 3 to 4 weeks before shipping. So don't be like me, blowing her up in the email and you don't even read what it says on the website. So yeah, make sure you give her a try. These are most definitely worth it. Next time I'm going to get 2 bundles. It does say recommend 2.5 to 3 bundles, but I didn't do that at the time, but I will. And I feel like right now I don't need it because I left all of my hair out. But if I wanted to do like a braid down in the back and only leave the perimeter part out, I would most definitely need 2 bundles to 3. So most definitely do that if you don't plan on wearing all your hair out. If you want to wear it as a protective style, most definitely get 2 to 3 bundles. So yeah, make sure y'all go pop y'all some of these. These are really good. Really, really good. And it's like, if I put my hair like this, y'all not gonna be able to tell. If my hair was fully black, would y'all really be able to tell is my question? Would y'all really be able to tell? No, y'all wouldn't. And I'll have everything in the link below. If I missed anything, just comment and I'll answer and I'll get back to y'all soon. So thank you very much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be getting back to y'all pretty soon. Bye, y'all. You're so pretty.